Unmuted.
Good morning, traders. Good morning and welcome to another trading session here at Trademy.com, guys. This is Kyriakos Harilaou talking from the Forex trading desk of Trademy, guys, and we have very good news. Today is Black Friday. Good morning, Oscar. All of our positions, guys, are making money and we are getting ready actually to hit some TPs, especially on pound yen. So get ready for some nice profits as well. Now, what I have done for today, guys, I have opened an indicator called I exposure, where you can see the net positions of all the pairs that I have traded. Okay, guys? So here you see basically the sell lots and the buy lots, but the important thing are the net lots. So guys, just to let you know what type of positions I have for the moment, we can see that pound yen is very close to hit our take profit. You see that net lots we are short. If you have a minus sign there, it means that we have short positions. If you see a plus sign there, it means that we have net long positions, the amount of the net long or short, and the take profits or the losses. Now, as you can see, we are monitoring the pound yen chart, and our take profit is very close, is $3,100. So I'm closely monitoring my best performing trade for the moment, currently making me $2,100, let's say. And it will be very interesting to see how the day will develop, guys. So I will zoom in the chart a bit more. So we are monitoring now the pound yen position, and let me straight inform you what type of positions I have, guys. So let's start with dollar yen. You see here that dollar yen, it means net lots. I'm short on dollar yen. So the first trade I have for you for the moment, I have traded today, is a short position on USD yen. I have shorted it at 112.83 with a stop loss of 113.40 and a take profit at 112.48. So that's my first short position I have initiated on dollar yen. Now on euro dollar, as you can see, there is a minus sign there. I'm short also on euro dollar. We observed a sudden decline on the euro this morning. Let me put also the euro dollar chart. You see this decline very nicely. So on euro dollar, as you can see here, I'm short. Okay, so I have shorted euro dollar, and you can also see here the price of the short, sell price. I have entered short. So guys, I'm short euro USD at 1.13933 with a stop loss at 1.1450 and a take profit at 1.13583. We have a small rebound now on the prices. Next one, I have initiated, as you can see here, a long position on the New Zealand CAD. Let's have a look on New Zealand CAD. I have initiated a long position. So third trade for the day, long USD CAD. The level of the long position is at 1.32207. There we go. And my stop loss is at 1.31637 and TP is 1.32557. So next one, as you can see here, I'm short USD, the Kiwi. I have shorted the Kiwi. So trade number 4, short New Zealand USD at the sell price was 68.097. with a take profit, with a stop loss first of all, stop loss set at 0.68667 and a TP at 0.67747, guys. So this is the short position of the Kiwi. Moreover, for pound dollar, I'm net short. So you see a minus sign there. I'm short pound dollar at, you can find out from here what is the sell price. It's 1.28441, as you can see. So 1.28441. My stop loss for this position is at 1.29011 and TP at 1.28091. So that's the fifth trade I have initiated for this morning. Sixth trade, as you can see, I'm also short on euro yen. So short euro yen at the sell level price. You see the sell price here is at 128.571. Now my stop loss for that trade is at 129 point, and I was wondering why I cannot see the numbers clearly. Forgot to wear my glasses, guys. I'm getting old. All right. So my stop loss is at 129.141 and my take profit is at 128.221. That's the sixth trade. The seventh trade I have initiated today is a long position on Aussie dollar. So I'm long Aussie dollar. The buy price is at 72.472. As you can see here, that's the buy price. Now, my stop loss for that is at 0.71902 and TP 0.72822. So I'm long Aussie dollar. Next one, I have shorted pound yen. Short pound yen at the sell price of the pound yen was at 145.168. Stop loss 145.738 and take profit is at 144.818, guys. So that's the eighth position. Ninth position, you see a minus sign here. It means that I'm short. Also, I'm short pound Aussie at 1.77507 with a stop loss at 1.78077 and a take profit at 1.77157. And the last trade I have opened for the day is again a short position on USD CHF at, you see here the sell price 99.519. Stop loss above parity 1.30989 and TP 0.99169. So these are the 10 positions that I currently have open, and together with the TPs. So let's see who is with us. I see a newcomer, I think, Augustus. All right, I have seen you one more time, Augustus. Correct me if I'm wrong. Good morning and welcome. How are you? I see Anne-Marie. How are you, Anne-Marie? How is Sweden? I think it's very cold. Here today is a bit cloudy, strangely, and even we had some raindrops in the morning, but it's still very warm for November. So good morning, Anne-Marie. Hello, Fanos. Hello, Oscar. Good morning. And I hope you enjoy this session, guys. Hello, Patrick. Good morning, Rachel. How are you today? Good morning to you, the UK. And good morning, William. Good morning, guys. And welcome to our morning live trading room. So today is Black Friday. And I need to remind you about our Trademy special discount offers, which are as follows, guys. Black Friday at Trademy.com. Black Friday deals at Trademy.com, guys. Trademy offers for today 15% discount for those of you who would like to upgrade to the Pro Trader course, to the Professional Trader course. 15% discount. Also, Trademy.com offers 20% discount to the Expert Trader course. If you would like to upgrade to the Expert Trader course, 20% discount. And the best part comes at the Star Trader course. Star Trader course, Trademy is offering an amazing 25% discount, guys. 25% discount for those of you who would like to upgrade to the Star Trader course. That's a couple of $1,000 discount, guys. So take advantage of this. Upgrade your training programs for today until midnight. These are the Black Friday deals at Trademy.com. 15% discount for the Professional Trader course, 20% discount for the Expert Trader course, and 25% discount for the Star Trader course. So let me revise my positions, and then I will give a small pass to Elif because I think that she has shorted everything. So I'm short dollar yen, I'm short euro yen, I'm long dollar CAD, short the Kiwi, short the cable, short euro yen, long Aussie dollar, short pound yen, short pound Aussie, and short dollar CHF, guys. So these are the current trades that I have. So we will go to Elif and then we will come back in order to explain to you exactly what these indicators are I have placed today on my charts. So let's go to Elif and then you come back to me. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to our live session on Friday morning here at Trademy.com. Nice to have you here. Guys, as you know, yesterday we didn't have almost no volatility on the markets, but today, thank God, in the morning, the European markets, they give us a kind of volatility. We will see what happened, but before that, you remember our oil, when Brent oil and DAX positions from last night, they all hit take profit this morning. All of them, they hit take profit. And we made a profit so far of $4,000. Oh, what's wrong here? Come on. So $4,000, guys, so $4,000. A nice one. Nice one so far. So we are going now also to the European market, as I said, and we closed already we opened already two positions, guys. We opened a short position on Italy 40. We had this huge spike upwards after we got the news about the disagreement of Spain and the disagreement of Spain regarding the Brexit issues and Gibraltar. They want a specific solution for the Gibraltar situation, and this cost right now huge. This cost is morning a huge move up. You can see that, and now we have this pullback, and so we shorted a bit on the pullback, guys. Not much. We shorted shortly a pullback, and we will not do the same mistake which we did yesterday. We will put more narrow take profits. We will be happy with slower profits, but with profits, guys. So we will put our take profit on Italy 40 at 18,701. 18,701 is our take profit. It's a very small take profit of $600 profit, but it's something, guys. We will see it. So our take profit is at, we are short on Italy 40, and we entered Italy 40 at 18,712, and my take profit is at 18,701. So, and our DAX position, we have also a DAX position. Here we have the same picture, a huge move up, then the pullback here, and also here we will put a narrow take profit. We will not do the same mistake which we did yesterday, guys. So we will go here for our take profit at 11,165. This is my take profit. Also here a narrow take profit, nothing much, $400. We will try to get these small amounts, guys, and get some money out of this small amount. So let's go also on gold. Gold dropped also quite strong yesterday. Let's see if we have any possibilities here to trade. Let me see. Guys, I see a short trend on gold, but I don't want to enter it right now. I want to leave it a bit more time to develop because, okay. Guys, I will go like on 15 minutes and half an hour, I see an uptrend, but on the 5 minutes, I see a bit of a drop. That's why I will keep it a bit more. And when I see also on the 5 minutes chart, the drop, I will enter. Let's see, let's see. Okay, our DAX position is making already money. Our Italy 40 position is making money. And now we are on gold. I have to see on gold. Guys, I will go long on gold. I'm going long on gold. I know that it will drop a bit more, but I will go. And I'm going with a small exposure with 30 lots. Here we go. I just opened a long position on gold with 30 lots, guys. And I will go for a half a dollar move. So I entered at 1,223.44. My take profit will be at 1,223.95. This will be my take profit. We aim just $1,500. As I said, today we will go with small expectations. We don't expect big profits. We go in, we go out, we go in, we go out today. This is what we will do. So, what happened in Spain? We go now for a minute to Kyriakos to explain us what's going on with which new indicators he's using, and then we will be back here. Yes.
So guys, welcome back. So can you hear me and see me properly, guys? So as I said, we are getting ready to hit some take profits. Now, what are these indicators I have used today, guys? This is called Ichimoku. For those of you who know Ichimoku, has any one of you heard ever about Ichimoku, guys? Anyone? Do you know what Ichimoku is? Anyone, guys? Have you heard about Ichimoku? Ichimoku Kingo Hayo is the full name of Ichimoku, guys. Have you heard about it? Anne-Marie, Augustus, Connie, welcome. How about Oscar? Oscar, have you heard ever about Ichimoku? So this is basically an indicator that shows how to identify trends and trend corrections. And I only use two components of the Ichimoku, the cloud, this is the cloud, the blue one with the shades, and the Chiku span, which is the green line. So basically how I use that, if the Chiku span breaks below the cloud here and below the MA50, I consider it to be a downtrend. So that's why I have shorted exactly here pound yen. The pair is currently making me, as you can see from the eye exposure indicator, $2,179. This indicator is the profit here gives me the cumulative profits for each pair or losses. And as you can see, we are very close to hit our first TP for the day on pound yen. And I have highlighted here the pound yen pair. So if the price falls a bit lower than the take profit level, which is at 144.818, automatically you will see the eye exposure indicator deleting pound yen, and we will get $3,100 on our pockets. So we are just a bit less than 10 pips away from our take profit. Now, what else is important? If I have a hedge position, let's say I have a long on euro dollar, and at the same time I have a sell on euro dollar. The eye exposure indicator sums up the long and short positions, and since I have 10 lots long and 21.49 lots short, here it gives us the so-called net lots. Net lots. So if you have 10 lots long and 21 short, it means that you are net short 11. So that's why you see a minus sign there. Now, regarding the profit, this is the cumulative profit I have. If I close all my positions and longs and shorts on euro dollar right now, without waiting to hit stop losses or TPs, it means that I will lose $890, okay? If I do this on dollar CAD, as you can see, I have net long positions because I don't have a minus sign there. I have 11.49 lots long. If I decide to close the positions now and don't wait to reverse or hit TPs or stop losses, it means that if I close them now, I will realize $2,043 of losses. This indicator is very useful for those of you who are using the so-called money stop. For example, one can say, you know, I will follow Kyriakos, but as soon as I see on each pair losing net $1,010, I will just exit the position. So this tool, the eye exposure tool, can assist you on that for all those who wish to use a money stop. Okay, what is a money stop? You don't determine your profit in pips. You don't determine your profit in percentage of your capital. You determine your profit in monetary terms. For example, I will go long, and as soon as I'm losing $220, I will close my position no matter what. This is called a money stop. You determine your losses in dollars, okay? Is it clear, guys, what I have just explained now? Good. Very nice. So let's see what the indicators are telling us about the other pairs. So I have input today Ichimoku Cloud and Chiku Span of Ichimoku. Now this line is very important. I consider it now the MA of 200 periods instead of comparing it with the price. I use the Chiku Span as my price. So I believe that now the Chiku Span is testing the resistance level of the MA of 200 periods. Okay, then it will test the lower band of the cloud. Here I have also a resistance. And the next resistance is MA50 and the upper band of the cloud. So lots of resistance levels, previously support levels, which we are penetrated downwards. So it will be very interesting to see if pound yen will hit our TP or if we will have an upside reversal. For the moment, we see that the green line, the span line, is fighting to break above the MA of 200 periods. Okay, but for the moment is not breaking it. Of course, time will show. Now, another thing that is important for you to notice is that this line is plotted behind the chart, before the chart. Okay, this is the price, is to the left. So it's before the chart, to the left of the chart, where the cloud of the Ichimoku is plotted ahead of prices. That's why we say in technical analysis that the cloud is used to determine future support or resistance levels. How do we determine that? If the price is below the cloud, then this cloud is considered to be a resistance level. If the price now it's above the cloud, then the cloud is considered to be a support level. So by just adding two more indicators, we can identify key resistance levels. This is the MA of 200 periods. Chiku Span seems to penetrate that. Of course, we still have until 11:35 platform time to confirm that. We need to wait for the candle to close. Then the next resistance level is the lower line of the cloud. Then is the MA50, and then is the upper line of the cloud. That's why I have my hedge buy stop order at this level. So if it breaks that level, it means that we are going up. Otherwise, we stick to our short positions. Let's go to dollar yen and see how the Ichimoku, you see here again, we had a clear penetration to the downside of the Chiku Span, okay, and we have shorted dollar yen, okay. Now, the important thing about dollar yen is that the Chiku Span for the moment is making new daily lows. We can use failure swings and trend lines on the Chiku Span. So things are very bearish today for the dollar yen. They seem very bearish. So our short position is started to decline, and it would be very nice to hit that to see this position hitting TP. Next one, euro dollar. We have net short positions as well on euro dollar. Look at the decline, guys, of the Chiku Span. Now, if you would like to go short, look at which level I have entered short. I have entered short exactly where the Chiku Span was breaking below the MA of 200 periods. So now the resistance of this upside correction, we believe that it will stall if Chiku Span tests the MA of 200 periods. Now, it doesn't mean that if the span line goes here, the price will go there. Maybe it will go higher. So forget about where the price is, just stick to the span indicator, and when it tests the moving average of 200 periods is a good level to initiate short positions if you believe euro dollar will continue further its drop. Like for example, on pound yen, we see that the span has broken above the MA of 200 periods, but the price has not. But we need to wait for the 15-minute candle to close. So for the moment, we stick to our short positions. If we see a penetration to the upside, then the next short will be approximately on the MA 50 periods resistance on this area. Now let's go to the next one, dollar CAD. Now dollar CAD, we have observed a nice upside break of the Chigu span and above the cloud. I was a bit rushed to reverse to long positions here, but I believe we can get it. Look, now, if price breaks above the MA of 200 periods, this doesn't necessarily that the price will go up. We need this line, the span line, to go above 200 periods as well. So be careful, we might see a bull trap here. This is a classic example of bull trap protection. So if you see a break to the upside, but Chigu span fails to break the moving average of 200 periods to the upside, be careful from bull traps. I have reversed to long positions since I observed the penetration to the upside of the cloud. Okay, let's go to Elif and then you will come back to me. Thank you.
Hello, here I am, and hopefully now my camera will be a bit better for you guys. If not, just let me know. So let's see. On gold, we entered a short position, as I said, and it's I think we end up again in the same situation as yesterday, but we are quite positive, and we will see also here again. Our take profit was very close on Italy 40, but it didn't hit. However, also here we entered just 50 lots. We can increase also here our profits. This is not a big deal. It's not a big deal. We will see how the market moves, and I'm expecting here. No, it's okay. I will put a pending order again for a sell position on Italy 40 at a certain level. You see here. Here we go for 30 lots. Yes, I'm putting a pending order. A sell limit on Italy 40 at 18,755. Here we go. Oh, it's too low. I will get it a bit higher. It's too here. This is the perfect time for that. And most probably the market will reverse at this level. And I put now a pending order if the market comes here and hits that to reverse and increase our exposure. We will see how it works. We will see how it will work. This is our first pending order. Now let's go also to DAX. We might put also a pending order on DAX. Let me see, on DAX we still have, okay, on DAX, I will put also a pending order here on DAX. Let me see. Although for the pending order we might be already too late, we will take, yeah, we are too late for the pending order here. Let's try. We go for a sell limit at 11,199. And you know here this is also a very psychological level, guys. It's a psychological level because the zero numbers are psychological support or resistance levels. This is something you should always have in mind when you are trading. When you are trading indices, let's say on DAX right now it's 11,199, which the expectation that it goes to 11,200 is a bit, you know, if it crosses, then sky is the limit, let's say, but it will most probably return over here, and this is something which we have to check and find out. So Let's see, on gold, we have also a long position on gold. Okay. Yep, that's just a matter of time until we get here in the correct direction to make us happy, guys. It's just a matter of time, and it will get there, no problem, no problem. No problem. Let's see also oil and Brent oil. As you know, yesterday we had positions open on oil and Brent oil, and this morning we hit some take profits on them, and also on DAX we hit a take profit. But on oil, I don't really see right now a good entry level. Let me see. Let me see, maybe with a lot of imagination, we can push something out. Yes, guys. We go long with a very, we go long on oil. Just opened a long position on oil. I just opened a long position on oil, and we also here, we don't ask for big profits. We don't ask today for big profits, guys. Our take profit here is at 53.205, and it's just $400. It's just $400 we are asking for. Nothing big, nothing much. It's just, let me see here, this is the 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, on Brent oil, I will put a buy stop. Let's go. I want to open a position at buy limit, not buy stop, at 61.3660 is my take profit. My pending order. And with this pending order, I want a take profit at 62.90. That's my take profit in case that my Brent oil position will get triggered. Let's see. Let's see if this will be the case. We will see. We will see and maybe make some money out of here. Let's see. So gold started to move in our favor. Italy and Germany still are struggling. Not the move I'm expecting, not the strength I'm expecting, but it will get there. We will get there. Also today, a quite low day, but as I said also yesterday, guys, it's very, very important to know that when we had yesterday so low volatility, and today the low volatility continues because of the Black Friday and Thanksgiving, this means on Monday we will have huge movements. And what you need for big movements, you need to have a good trading account. So get the advantage of those great offers on our courses. Star package, you will get 25% discount. If you upgrade your course to Star Trader course, you will get 25% discount. If you upgrade to Expert Trader, you will get 20% discount. If you upgrade your account to the Pro Trader, you will get 15% discount, which means, guys, that you will have the whole weekend time to sit into the theory and study the theory with all these courses, because this you can you have access 24 hours to that, 7 days a week. So even tomorrow you can sit and have a look. And on Monday, with all this knowledge you have, we will go to the market with a lot of volatility, and you will make money with this volatility. Right, Kyriakos, what you say?
I think that's a great idea. It's a great idea, Elif, and I hope that the students take advantage of this unique and amazing offer of Black Friday deals on Trademy.com. Let me remind you of the deals, guys. 15% discount if you upgrade to the Professional Trader course, 20% discount if you upgrade to the Expert Trader course, and an amazing 25% discount if you upgrade your training programs to the Start Trader course. So we are monitoring the chart, and I was explaining dollar CAD. So let's go back to dollar CAD chart. As I said before, I was in a bit of a rush to reverse my positions to long on dollar CAD, since, as I said, I haven't observed the price breaking above the MA of 200 periods. Then most probably this advancement, if we don't have the span line breaking above the MA of 200 periods, then most probably that's a bull trap of this candle and we're going down. Anyway, I was a bit in a rush, but no worries. Moving on, the next position that I have is New Zealand Kiwi, New Zealand USD actually, Kiwi. It's very bearish, guys. Not only the span line broke below the cloud and everything, it has made also a failure swing bottom completed downwards. A failure swing, not the bottom. It's a failure swing completed to the downside, and most probably we will see dollar CAD getting lower today. Good for us is that we have short positions currently making $1,150, as you can see here, and is looking good for the moment. Next one, I have short position on pound dollar, which is currently my worst performer. However, as you can see, the pair has found support on the MA of 200 periods. Look at the span line, how it has respected the MA of 200 periods. But now the span line is finding resistance on the MA50 and the lower cloud band. So this resistance line will be crucial for the further development today of pound dollar. If it doesn't break it, then I'm expecting the span line to retest the MA of 200 periods. If we break that, we are going down, guys. Next one, Euro Yen. Let's see Euro Yen. Euro Yen, as you can see, the span line break the MA of 200 periods. We had a nice decline. We have shorted it here a bit late, according to me, but it doesn't matter. If the movement is valid, we will get the money. Now the span line is trying to break the previous bottom. If we see that, then we are going downwards, and already, as you can see, red lights have appeared on my account. Currently we are making from our hedge positions up a roughly number of $200. As you can see, remember that this profit is the current profit of both long and short positions using the high exposure indicator on MP4 platform. So if we see that breaking to the downside, then I believe we will hit TPs shortly, guys, and it's very close to our TP actually. So let's go to the next one. The next one is a long position on Aussie dollar. So let's see. Okay, now this is a trend contrarian trade I have placed. Okay, the price has clearly broken below the cloud and everything, but we see that we have reversed a lot from the bottom, guys. So I have decided to enter a long position here. So it will be very interesting to see if the Chigu line breaks the lows, then most probably we'll need to reverse. But I need to see a significant low, a significant movement below current day's lows. Okay. So next one, pound yen almost reached our take profit target, but we can see now that the pair has risen a bit. the Chiku line rising a bit, but you see that the MA of 200 periods now acts as a resistance, is turning back. If we see prices lower than this low, then I will hit TP. So it's going good. Currently is making us $1,640 roughly. Next one, Pound Aussie. I have a short position. Currently I'm losing around $80. Let's see how Aussie dollar is a bit confusing, but I found it a good opportunity to short it at here where it was breaking the cloud. However, the pair has not yet cleared its direction. However, I give it a try because the span line broke below the lower Bollinger Band and now is testing it again. We will see how it goes and we will update you accordingly. And last trade I have currently open is short position on dollar CHF. You see that the pair, the Chiku span has risen above the MA of 200 periods, but then we see a clear rejection. The span also again broke below the MA of 200 periods. The problem with that short position is that it's a trend contrarian position, okay? And it will be very interesting to see how the pair will react when it reaches the MAs and the Bollinger Bands, which it will act as a support tool. If we have again a break of this top of the Chiku span to the upside, then this means that the dollar CHF is regaining its bullish momentum, and that's why I have a bit higher my buy stop order to hedge my positions. So these are the current positions I observe at the moment and I have open, guys, this morning. Let me revise them. You can find out what type of position I have from the eye exposure indicator I have here on MT4 today. So for dollar yen, I'm short. For euro dollar, I'm net short. For dollar CAD, I'm net long. For Kiwi, I'm short. For pound dollar, I'm net short. What do I mean by net short? I used to have a long position and I reversed to short, just for clarification purposes. So for pound dollar, I'm net short. For euro yen, I'm net short. For Aussie dollar, I'm long. For pound yen, I'm short. Pound Aussie, I'm short. And for dollar CHF, I'm short again. So how do you understand that I have both buy and sell positions? Because, for example, on dollar yen, you see here buy lots 0, sell lots 10. So this means that I'm clear short, only one position. On euro dollar, I have 10 buy lots, but sell lots, I have 21.49. By this, you can, and this is the level of the long and the price level of the short position. Plus 10 minus 21.49, it means that I have net short of 11.49. So by using this indicator, you can clearly find out if I'm long or short, if I have one position or if I have short, if I have hedged. And not only that, you can clearly see also the entry levels of each position. So instead of watching this, you can watch this and you can find also the entry levels of any long or short positions. And this column here indicates the direction that I'm speculating right now. So as you can see on dollar yen, since it has a minus sign, I'm short. On euro dollar, I'm short. The loonie dollar CAD, I'm long. Kiwi short. Cable short. Euro yen short. Aussie dollar long. Pound yen short. Pound Aussie short. And dollar CHF have a short position. So for the moment, I haven't closed any positions yet. You can see the profits of the positions here. They are clearly mentioned, and the losses as well. For example, my West, this is also very easy to find the West performer and the best performer so far. So you can see that my West performer for the moment, currently losing me, let's say $3,600. It's pound dollar, guys. So it will be very interesting on pound dollar to see how it will react as the span line here, the Chiku span line now is testing the MA50. We will see. So regarding news announcements now, Don't forget that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com, our partners portal website. We have very important announcements coming out for the Canadian dollar later this evening. And it will be very interesting to see how our position on dollar CAD will react on those. More particularly, we have retail sales, we have CPI, we have Bank of Canada CPI. All these will be out at 1:30 p.m. UTC time. And later on in the day at 2:45, we have some important announcements UTC time, 2:45 p.m. UTC time, or GMT is the same time now. GMT or UTC time is the same. 2:45 p.m. we have Market PMI Composite and Market Services PMI for the United States dollar. So the news today a lot about dollar CAD. We have position on dollar CAD. We have reversed to short positions on dollar CAD, and we will see how we have reversed to not too short, to long positions on dollar CAD. It's a plus here. So it will be very interesting to see how the price will react and if we will manage to get some money out of it. So worst and best performance for the moment. Worst performer is pound dollar and best performer is pound yen. So let's go to pound yen. We see that the Chiku span line tried to test the MA of 200 period. For the moment, it doesn't manage to break it. The same, I think we can observe, not the same. Actually, pound dollar is indicating now further upside correction, but we need to wait for the 15-minute candle to close. That's in approximately 11:50, 12:05. That's in approximately 13 minutes from now, guys. So we need to wait for the 15-minute candle to close, and then we'll review our positions and act accordingly. So, any questions, guys, regarding the explanation I have given about the Ichimoku and how I'm using it to determine entry levels, to determine supports, resistance lines? Any questions? Any questions? Feel free to ask us in the chat room. So that's all I have for the moment. Let's see how the indices are moving. Elif, are you ready for an update on those? Let's go.
So guys, on the indices, it's again a slow day. The only thing what I wanted to say is that, as you know, we had a pending order on Italy 40. We just hit, it just got triggered. We have another pending order now. We have another position now on Italy 40. So we are again short on Italy 40. We increased our exposure on Italy 40 and we entered at 18,761.1. My take profit is at 18,711. It's slightly below the entry level of our first trade, and I will see, I might even adjust my take profit and put both take profits together. I will see and I will decide, but it's okay. So oil trade is moving nicely. Where is our oil trade? Here we go. We almost paid off the spread. As you know, the spread takes a bit of time. It takes the correct direction, and hopefully soon we will hit here some take profits. On gold, we are at the same level as before. Not big movements, not big movements, but we see a slope going up. As we said today, our strategy is to put our take profits very narrow to hit close our positions, because also today we don't expect big volatility. We don't want to do the same mistake as yesterday, that we adjust our take profits as it would be a normal trading day. No, today it's a bit more tight. It's a bit more tight. So on oil, we started to get green lights, but it's okay. And DAX is also running well. Well, this is mainly what I wanted to say. Not a big movement, no close. It's the third day in a row that we didn't close a position during the live session in the morning. But we initiated our major trades and hope to close the position during the day. We'll be there. Just for you to know, guys, we are updating you always on our social media page. You can always find us on social media. On Twitter, it's Trademy @Trademy. You can find us there. On YouTube channel, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and also our Facebook account. You can find us also on our Facebook account. So, guys, this is it so far. Everything tends to go in our direction. We just need to pay off the spread, and then we are okay. It takes a bit more time than usual to pay off the spread. It's due to the low volatility. We will get there, and we are looking forward to hit some take profit. So we will be back here on track. And once we hit some take profits, and some webinars will follow, and then we will see how the days goes. So I see Kyriakos has another small update, and then we will see you later on.
So guys, just a kind reminder that of the Black Friday deals here at Trademy.com. Trademy is offering 15% discount for the Pro Trader course if you upgrade until today midnight, 25% discount on the Start Trader course, 25% discount on the Start Trader course, and 20% discount on the Expert Trader course. Thousands of dollars of discount, guys. Great deals from Trademy.com for the Black Friday, for today only. If you would like to upgrade your training program, how do you do that? Contact immediately your personal account manager at Trademy.com, and he will provide you with all the details and the procedures needed to upgrade your training programs. Get your training programs to the next level through the upgrades of your training programs packages. And also, don't forget the valuable one-to-one sessions, guys. You can have a one-to-one session with us, either with myself, Kyriakos, or with my colleague Elif, and take your trading skills to the next level, because theory from practice differs a lot. Thank you very much for being with us. Stay with us. We will be available through the chat room. Some nice webinars will follow. And if you would like to contact us, just type your question in the chat room, and we'll be more than glad to answer them. Thank you very much. Stay with us. We are live all day today. See you again in a few hours or minutes, depending on the market conditions. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm back. We are getting ready to hit TPs on Euro Yen, Pound Yen, and let's see if we will manage and hit our TPs, guys. Euro Yen and Pound Yen. On Euro Yen, as you can see, we are making $720. On Pound Yen, we are making $2,200 and $2,300. So let's see, guys, if we will manage and hit our TPs on Euro Yen and Dollar Yen. Let's see, guys. Green lights on my trading account. A great day, guys. So are you watching this, guys? Hello, Connie, and thank you very much for your question, and I hope I have answered it. Actually, in this trading system, there is a lot more than charts behind it, Connie. This system involves also mathematical and quantitative analysis that I'm currently using. I like to call it mathematical hedge. So there is much more to it, but you started to understand what exactly Forex is, and well done for that. So as I said, we are getting ready to hit TPs on Euro Yen hedge positions and on Pound Yen. Now Pound Yen went a bit up. Euro Yen is approximately 7 pips away from our TP and is declining nicely. We see that the Chigu span line has broken below its lows while the price is still holding. This guy is going before the price action occurs. So most probably, if it stays at this level in the next few periods, we will see a penetration of this low, a clear penetration, and our take profit is just lower than that. So great bearish trend on Euro Yen today. On Euro Yen, as you can see, we have net short positions. Currently, we are making $466, which is the difference between the loss of the long and the profit of the short position. That's the purpose of the mathematical hedge we are currently using. And our best performer is pound yen, as you can see here, currently making us a bit more than $2,000. And also the short position on the Kiwi is making us $1,450. My worst performer for the moment still is pound dollar, guys. So we will see how it will react or if we will reverse to it. So we are monitoring Euro Yen, and you are monitoring my screen, and if I have any updates, I will go live and inform you about them. Also, Euro Dollar started to make us some money. You see that the profits of the hedge short position recovered the losses of the long, and we are plus now in the money $180. However, we'll need to be more patient and wait and see if we will hit our TPs on pound yen and Euro yen, which are the trades that are currently performing better than anyone other I have. Thank you. Stand by, and we will get some money in shortly. Thank you. So guys, I'm back again. We are very close to hit our TP on Euro Yen, just 5 pips away. Currently, we are making almost $700. But also Euro Dollar is making us some nice money, $340 for the moment. So we are monitoring carefully the charts. Euro Yen is getting ready to go down, guys. Now this low is clearly penetrated by Chiku span of the Ichimoku. Remember that this guy goes before the actual price action occurs, so it has indicated a break to the downside upon breaking these lows. So I believe that the price will shortly follow that, and we will see a sudden decline to the downside on Euro Yen. So nice. Let's see if we will manage again this money, guys. $600 for the moment from Euro Yen, $340 from Euro Dollar, $2,000 from pound yen. They are all in a good path. The worst performer still is pound dollar, guys. So let's see how pound dollar will develop, and we will decide accordingly what we will do. So we are monitoring the Euro Yen chart. Now we are very close to hit our TP. We are just 6 pips away. And if we hit it, we will get a nice approximately $900 of profit. There we go, $700 now. And it's just 4 pips away from our TP. $750 now, $650. Euro dollar is also falling nicely, guys. Let's see if we'll manage and get this money in our pockets. Come on. Just a few more pips and we will get the money, guys. This guy never lies. The majority of the cases, at least. So we are at $600 now profit on Euro Yen position. $650 now. And as you can see, we are almost there to hit our TP. We are going in the market with 11.49 net short position. A bit of slow motion now in the markets, but we are getting there. Let's see Kiwi. Kiwi is declining nicely as well. Currently making us $1,550. Let me have a look also on pound dollar. We see that the span line found resistance on the MA of 50 periods and is now declining. Now, if this line breaks below these lows, we will see a huge sell-off on pound dollar as well. And on pound dollar, guess what? We have short positions. So this amount should improve substantially during the next few minutes. So on pound dollar, we are short, and we believe we will get the money soon if we see a break of this low by the Chiku span of the Ichimoku. So stand by, guys. You are monitoring my screen. Let's see. Pound yen is also getting ready to hit TP. We are making $2,200. We have a lot of movement today, but we want this movement to continue. We don't want it to see it stall. So, are you watching this, guys? Connie, have you started to understand what Forex is? I'm sure you will start very soon to understand. It's a very, for me, it's the safest instrument to trade because of the lack of volatility. The average volatility of Forex pair under a normal trading day is 0.4%, guys, 0.4%, not even 0.5%. What kills is leverage, guys, so make sure you use it wisely. So we are monitoring, guys, euro yen and pound yen and euro dollar. We are monitoring everything basically, and as soon as I have an update, I will come back to you shortly. Thank you. Great. That's good to hear that. All right. So Nuno, today I'm showing a new technique, how to determine entry of short levels. I include that, Nuno, in our checklist on the one-to-one session we will have together in approximately 30 minutes. Okay, I have included it in the checklist, so I'm looking forward to it. Nuno, thank you for coming to a one-to-one session with us. Thank you. Okay, guys, markets are very interesting, so get ready to take profits on euro yen and euro dollar. Currently, we are making around $850 from our euro yen positions. We are monitoring the euro yen chart. $900 from euro yen. And we are just 3 pips away. There we go, guys. $950. Come on. Is falling nicely. Euro dollar is also falling nicely. Pound yen is also falling nicely. So just 3 pips away from our take profit. We are making now almost $1,000 on euro yen. On euro dollar, we are making $800. Let's see, $1,000 now on euro yen, guys. 2 pips away from our take profit. $1,000 on euro yen. Come on, just a few more pips and we will get the money. Let's see, pound yen, we are making $2,500. But euro yen is very close to hit our TP. We are making $1,100 now. Let's see, we just need 2 more pips, guys. Let's see if we will hit that. There we go. Just 2 more pips and we will hit our take profit. We are making $1,050. There we are. Come on. 2 pips away from our take profit, guys. Less than 2 pips now. $1,168 now profit. We are just 1 pip now away from our take profit. There we go, almost hit it. Come on, just a bit, one more small push. $1,150. 0.8 pips now away. 0.3 pips, $1,250. There we go, guys. We just closed our euro yen positions with $1,250. Wow, amazing. Let's switch to pound yen. We just closed our positions with $2,500. Let's go to euro dollar. Euro dollar is making us $1,200. Let's see, guys, $1,200 on euro dollar. Let's see if we will manage and hit the TP on that one as well. Just 4 pips away. Elif has an update. Let's go straight to Elif. Currently, we made around $3,500. So let's go to Elif.
Hello guys, yes, we hit here also take profit on DAX and on Italy 40 just right now. We hit take profit. As you remember, we had a pending order got triggered on Italy 40 and it made us $1,700, and the other Italy 40 position made us $641. On DAX we hit take profit and it made us $421. So we had 3 take profits now in the last 1 minute. We had in the last 1 minute 3 take profits, a good one. We increased our profit so far to $6,867. We still have some positions open on gold and on Brent oil. We go back to Giriya.
Okay, guys, we are making $1,350 on euro dollar, and we are just 1 pip away from our TP. $1,350. There we go, guys. We just hit take profit also on euro dollar. $1,500 already ended in our pockets. Currently, we are up $5,000 for the day, guys. And let's monitor the other pairs, what they are doing. For the moment, we are left with the best performer now is Kiwi. Let's go straight to Kiwi, guys. We are talking about another $3,500. $3,500 is the target of the Kiwi, as you can see. And $5,000, guys, in just 2 hours, okay, from Forex trading. So we closed our positions on Euro Yen, Pound Yen, and Euro Dollar. $5,000 so far. Currently, our Kiwi position, short position, is making us $2,100. Let's check how Pound Dollar is performing. It used to be our bigger loser, but as you can see now, eventually the Chigu span of the Ichimoku cloud is trying to break below these lows. If we see that, we expect a decline also on Pound Dollar. So let's see how the day develops and we'll decide accordingly. Before that, I would like to remind you that we have just reversed to short positions on the Kiwi. So there it is. We have reversed to short positions on the Aussie, not on the Kiwi, at 0.72252 with a stop loss at 0.72822 and a TP at 0.71902. So for Aussie dollar now, as you can see here, guys, we have reversed to short position at this price, and we will see how it will go. For the moment, is my worst performer, but it will get there. So my eyes now are on the Kiwi, which is declining nicely. And if we hit the take profit, then we will increase our profits to approximately $8,500 for the moment. For the moment, we have 5 plus 3,500 from Kiwi. We will increase our daily profits to $8,500. So stay with us and we will let you know if we have any updates. Thank you. Okay, guys, Kiwi is developing very nice. As you can see, it's dropping nicely. The green light has switched on my trading account. We are just 8 pips away from our TP. And the target for this trade is $3,500. If we hit that, then we will increase our daily profits to $8,500. Currently, we are making $5,000. So as you can see, is my best performer for the moment, currently making me $2,710 net profit. So stand by for more profits, guys. In the meantime, as I have informed you in the trading room, we have reversed to long positions on Pound Aussie. A nice upside rally on Pound Aussie, guys. Look at that. It started to go up, and our TP is not far away. It's here. So very interested to see if we will hit also TP on Pound Aussie. So for the moment, we are short dollar yen, net long dollar CAD, short Kiwi, net short pound dollar, net short Aussie dollar, net long pound Aussie, and short dollar CHF. The worst performer is Aussie dollar for the moment. The best performer is the Kiwi. So stand by, guys, and we will see we will hit our TP on the Kiwi, which seems very likely to do that. So thank you. So guys, we have a sudden downside move on the New Zealand dollar. Currently, we are making almost $3,000. We are very close to hit our take profit. We are just 6 pips away from our take profit now. There we go, guys, $3,500, $3,000 now. We are just 5 pips away from our take profit. Just $3,000, $500 more, and we will hit our take profit. Our profit for this trade is $3,500. It might trouble us a bit now. The Kiwi is not a so volatile pair, but if it decides to move, it moves. So we are making almost $3,000 now from this position. We won $3,500 for this. It's Black Friday, guys. We need to make money. Exactly. Nuno, our wives will want to go shopping, so we need to keep them happy today. Correct? So we need $3,500 from the Kiwi. So guys, it will trouble us a lot. No need to stay with me. Let's go to Elif. She just shorted again. Italy 40. So Elif, we are back to you. Thank you.
Yes, we shorted again Italy 40. We see a drop, so we shorted again Italy 40. Let's see how it will move on, and I will inform you guys.
Okay, guys, we have very good news. As you can observe, we have closed also our positions with profit on pound dollar, $1,000. Currently, we are up for the day $6,000, and also we are getting close once again to hit our take profit on the Kiwi. The price has reached our take profit level, as you can see here, but because we are looking for the ask price to reach our TP level, we missed that by half a pip. Now the pair is consolidating sideways, and that's another $3,500. If we hit that, then we will increase our profits for the day to $9,500, guys. Currently, we have realized $6,000. If we hit that, we will increase it to $9,500. Stand by, guys, and we will see if we will make more money today. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are getting there now. $3,500 on the Kiwi, New Zealand USD short position. Let's see if we will increase our profits for the day to $9,500. We are 5 pips away from our take profit. The pair has started to decline nicely. Basically, we want the Chiku span line to break this low. If we see that, even if the price doesn't break it, if we see that, there it goes. We are observing this now. All we need is for the candle to close, and I believe we will hit it. So the candle closes in approximately 3 minutes from now, and already the span line of the Ichimoku has broken below the low of the day. So this indicates a very bearish attitude. Currently, we are making $3,030. And if we see that, I believe we can get that take profit. We just need the price to go a bit lower than the current daily lows. This means we want it to go a bit lower than 67.72. If we see that, then we will increase our profits for the day to $9,500. So let's see how the trade will develop. So guys, welcome back again. While we were watching the webinar, we closed another $3,500 on the Kiwi short position. And also, guys, look at dollar CAD. It has hit our take profit just a few minutes ago, guys, on dollar CAD. And we have made another 5,000 euros on dollar CAD. So this means we have increased our profits for the day to $15,000. So for the moment, we are left only with 4 pairs remaining. We have a short position on dollar yen. We have a hedged short position on Aussie dollar. We have a hedged short position on pound Aussie. And we have a hedged long position on dollar CHF. Currently, we are up $15,000. Let's see how the markets will develop today. Black Friday, enough money, guys, $15,000 for presents. What do you think? Stand by for more. Thank you. Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon. How are you today? Let me wear my sunglasses as well so that I can see clearly, guys. So a very nice Black Friday for me today here, guys. Currently, we are up $15,000. Did you see the trades, Nuno? They were great again, and we had a nice day. So we are left only with 4 positions, guys. We closed profits on euro dollar. We closed profits on dollar yen. We closed profits on the kiwi. We closed profits on pound dollar, on euro yen. We closed also profits on pound yen. So we are $15,000 up, and it's nice to have you all here, guys. So let's see how the markets are behaving this time of the day. We see pound Aussie, guys. We have reversed a number of times. Currently, as you can see, we are net short on pound Aussie, 24.7 lots. So the pair is still developing, is within a very narrow trading range, still didn't get the right direction. So let me update you about the current Forex positions that I have, guys. FX positions. Trade number 1. Just a moment to fix this, guys. All right, there we go. So for Aussie dollar, we are, as you can see from here, we are net short on Aussie dollar. So let me straight update you about it. So I have short position on Aussie dollar at so guys, I have a short position on Aussie dollar at, guys, can you hear me nice? Can you hear me okay? Can you all hear me fine, guys? All right, great. Okay. So I have a short position on Aussie dollar. Entry level of the short position was 72,252. Stop loss 0.72822 and TP 0.71902, guys. Now, what we observe on Aussie dollar, this is the Aussie dollar chart. We are using some new tools for today. We see that the Chiku span of the Ichimoku cloud make new lows, but now is finding resistance on this intraday top level. Okay, so in order for our short positions to have any chance to get hit TP, we don't need to see a penetration of that resistance level here. Don't forget that I'm trading also price patterns on the Chiku span of Ichimoku, so our odds of hitting TP will be increased even further if we don't see a penetration to the upside of this top and a penetration to the downside of the current day's lows on the Chiku span. So if we see that now, if we see a penetration, then the pair, I'm expecting the span, the Chiku span of the Ichimoku to quickly go up and test as a first step the lower Bollinger Band, not the price, the span of the Chiku span of Ichimoku. Now, on pound Aussie, it's within a range, but what indications do we have? We see that the span broke below the upper lower Bollinger Band, but then we see a rejection. It has gone again below it, okay? So the price is getting ready to penetrate also the MA50, but in order to confirm our short positions, we need the green line to break below this low and then below this low to make sure that the short position will work out. As you can see, we have the MA50 acting as a support. If the span breaks below MA50, then I believe that we can hit our TPs on pound Aussie. TP levels, which we marginally touched them in the morning, but we are not triggered. So we are short, second position. We are short pound Aussie at 1.77507. Stop loss 1.78077 and TP 1.77157. All right, next one. We are long, as you can see here. We have net lots 11.49 is positive. This means that we are net long on dollar CHF. So let me post that trade as well. I'm long on USD CHF. The entry level price for long positions, guys, you can find it from here. Buy lots, dollar CHF, 0.99739. And you see here also the same price. So two ways to find the entry level price of my trades, 0.99739. Stop loss, 0.99169. And TP, a bit above parity, 1.30089. Let's have a look on dollar CHF. Now, dollar CHF, as we can see, Chiku span of the Ichimoku broke upside to the moving average of 200 periods, clearly indicating a bullish momentum. Now it has declined a bit. It tried to test the MA of 200 periods, but now it's going up. So as soon as the Chiku span, the green line, the span line, is above MA 200 periods, we are long bias. That's why I have my sell stop order just right here. If I see a penetration to the downside, I will reverse to short. And the last position that I currently have is a short trade on dollar CHF. You see that we are short. So let me write you this position as well. I'm short dollar yen at 112.830. Stop loss 113.40 and TP 112.48. Let us also have a look on the dollar yen. The dollar yen is still within a bearish territory, guys. So we are in a good path. Now, okay, the span of the Ichimoku line is trying to recover a bit, but I believe that it can find serious resistance when the span line touches and tests the lower Bollinger Band as a first resistance. A penetration of this bottom to the downside by the span indicator, I believe, will trigger a further decline. But as you can see, we are still far away from our TPs. We are in the money on dollar yen, but we are still far away from our TPs. Now, we closed our short positions on Aussie dollar. We have reversed to long positions during this huge spike and hit our take profit on dollar CAD. We have closed, if you remember, this bump to the downside, hit our TP on the New Zealand. We hit also this bump to the downside, trigger our TP on our short positions on pound dollar. The same for euro yen. The same for pound yen. All the pounds have similar characteristics. And as a result, we are now left with only 4 pairs to trade. Let me remind you of the positions. For dollar yen, I have a short position, entry level price, 112.83. For Aussie dollar, I have a hedged short position, net lots, we are minus 11.49. Okay, and the entry level was at 72.252. For pound Aussie, we have reversed again a few minutes ago to short positions with an entry level of 1.77507. So let me put also the pound Aussie, since it's the most interesting pair to monitor for the moment. We have also net long positions on dollar CHF at 99.739, and we have shorted also dollar yen at 112.83 since the morning, still developing. So guys, this is the current FX update. Let me see also who is with us and say a big good afternoon. I see Arpit is with us. Augustus has been with us since the morning, and thank you very much for that. Good afternoon, Dan. How are you? I hope you are having a nice time here at the live trading room of Trademy.com. Hello, Dave, always here with us. Hello, Dave. Hello, nice to have you here. Hello, Fanos. Hello, you're fine, Dan. Thank you for your response. Hello, Jeff. Hello, ladies. Jenna, Natalie, Rachel. Hello, ladies. Good afternoon. I'm sure you are quite busy today shopping online for the Black Friday. So we don't have any women participation today, guys. This is only men's participation. Why? Because today is Black Friday, guys, and the women are very busy shopping online. Correct me if I'm wrong, ladies. So we have made so far $15,000. I see also with us Nuno, Oscar since the morning. Thank you very much, guys. I also see Patrick, Sushila, Rachel, and Thorstein since the morning as well. Thank you very much, Thorstein, for being here with us. So guys, today I have adopted another trading technique. It wasn't for me, Elif. It was for my, how do we call this? It was for my niece. Okay, my niece has ordered me, giving me an order, and that's exactly what it is. She gave me an order of a particular aroma frequency. How do you call it? Aroma. Okay, and I had to go and buy her that. So if you receive an order from a woman, it doesn't matter if it is your niece or even worse, your wife, or even worse, your mother-in-law, you definitely need to do it at once. Right, Nuno? So, guys, we are patiently waiting. This is the last trading day of the day. Today is Black Friday. Let me remind you once again of the Black Friday discounts on Trademy.com. Of course, they are in charge. So Black Friday, guys, here at Trademy.com, Black Friday deals at Trademy.com only until midnight today. Trademy is offering 15% discount to the professional trader course. So if you would like to upgrade your training program, today is the day to do it, guys. So that from Monday morning, you can take advantage of all this knowledge and increase your profits. So 15% discount for the professional trader course that is only available through Trademy. And if you upgrade your training programs by midnight today, Black Friday deals. Moreover, Trademy is offering 20% discount if you upgrade your training program to the expert trader course. Okay? And a final big 25% discount if you upgrade your training program to the Star Trader course. Okay, big discounts. Gold hit TP. Let's go straight to Elif.
Hello, everybody. Hello, nice to have you here. Yes, gold hit, take profit, guys. Gold hit, take profit. We had since this morning some take profits, guys. We had some take profits, not much, but still okay. Not the amount we are used to have, but in comparison with yesterday, we have a bit of movement, and this makes me a bit happy. We hit take profit on gold. We made $1,530 so far. On our gold position, you remember we had a very small gold position. Then we hit take profit on Italy 40. We hit take profit on DAX. I opened again Italy 40 position. Also there we hit take profit. So it looks quite nice for today. And we reached so far $10,796, and I don't like the number. I want a bit more. I want a bit more, and I sell again. Let me see. I sell again. Italy 40. We have a pullback. Let me see my stochastic oscillator. Okay, there is still some move up to expect. Okay, guys, I will go a bit long on Italy 40, not for a long term. And also on DAX, I will go for a short while long, guys. These are our 2 trades in the afternoon. And as I said also in the evening, we will go always with narrow take profits. Italy 40 is already giving us some profits. We go with narrow take profits, not much expectation. Let me see. I will put here 18,658 is my take profit on Italy 40, and I'm expecting here a profit of $900. On DAX, I will put my take profit at 11,123. Also here it's around 600. Okay, I will take it a bit higher to make it realistic. On gold, I will go again long on gold, but I have to wait for a pullback before I go long on gold. And again, here we have to think about how narrow we will put our take profits. And another very, very important fact today, guys, Brent oil dropped below $60. Brent oil dropped below $60 today. Brent oil below 6, and it wasn't so low since 2007, I think. 17. I think since 2017 it wasn't so low. So it's a nice movement. Let me have some water. My voice is very bad the last 2 days. My throats, they are not good. And I'm talking and I feel how my voice is disappearing slowly, guys. So sorry for that sometimes I need to interrupt a bit, but it will be okay. The weekend is coming. I think by Monday, the credit card will have complaints, not the voice anymore. However, I have to say to Kyriakos, it wasn't me who was shopping today. I didn't buy even one single thing online today. Nothing. I really didn't buy anything. Kyriakos came today with his bags.
She's lying, guys. She's lying. I talked with her husband. He told me otherwise.
No, it's not true. He's shopping. It's not me. I'm ordering from him. He's shopping for me. No, guys, we are. He came today with his bags from Black Friday shopping from a beauty shop. From a beauty shop, and I wasn't trading. I wasn't shopping yet. I want to trade, so let's go. Guys, on gold, I'm going again long. It's a nice movement. Yes, guys, I'm going long again, and this time I'll go with 50 lots. I'm in with 50 lots, and my take profit will be again a very narrow one. Again, just 50 cents of a movement. I don't expect big moves today. We will have also again an early close also on gold. We will have an early close. So let me see, ladies and gentlemen, where we should put our take profit here. 25.25. Yes, I put my take profit at 1,225.25. Here we go. It's not a big profit, as I said, just $2,400. It's nice, but as you know, on gold, my maximum exposure is 100 lots. Now I opened the 50. When I see that the market drops further down, I will open another 30 and another 20 to catch up the move. This is what I will do. You know my strategy on that, because I'm convinced about the direction. I don't like it. I don't like what's happening right now on DAX and in Italy 40. Let me see. I don't like this. I don't like this. Guys, in general, I have to say about DAX and Italy 40, I'm not worried about the buy position right now. Okay, like even if it's not today, on Monday, definitely will hit a take profit and it's okay. I don't have a problem with that. But I want for today some money. And I was estimating over on a reversal. I was estimating here on a reversal because all the indicators were showing me a reversal, and this is not happening right now. I went long and the market drops a bit below, but we will get there. We will get there, and I'm sure about that. I see Kyriakos is having some updates.
Kyriakos is shopping. So, guys, now, what we observe now on the Chikou span of Ichimoku is that we see clearly that the Chikou span line has penetrated below the previous bottom. So 90% of the times the price will break the MA50. So you can see from the Ichimoku indicator that it can really show you if the price will break an important support or moving average while trading intraday forex trading purposes. Okay, so based on the span line of Ichimoku, we see a penetration of this intraday bottom. So I take it for granted that the MA50 will be broken to the downside. Of course, we always need confirmation by the price. So if you are thinking to go short here and you have any doubts if the MA50 will hold or not, advise the span of the Ichimoku. So if you see a penetration of this low, which is done, then usually 90% of the cases, the moving average of 50 periods will be downside penetrated, at least at least during the next 2-3 candles, sometimes during the same candle, as we observe right now. So our short positions on pound Aussie, they seem to be doing well. Now that we can see here now that the span of the Ichimoku has also penetrated to the downside. This low, this intraday low, so it means that we have also a failure swing on the span. As I said, we are trading also the patterns on the span of the Ichimoku. So we are in a good, for the moment, based on what I see in front of me, guys, we are in a good path to hit our TPs on the pound Aussie. However, we see now that the span is approaching the moving average of 50 periods. So that's the important thing to look at. If the span breaks also below the MA50, then forget about it, guys. It will continue to go down. So for the moment, based on what I see in front of me, but as I said, we need always to wait for price confirmation. We have a failure swing on the span indicator of the Ichimoku, and I believe that most probably we will break that MA50 and move lower. Now, moving on to the other positions, we have a short position on Aussie dollar, and things for the moment are not looking good. Now, suppose that you're out of the market and you want to short Aussie dollar. My question to the participants of the live trading room, based on what I said so far, you see now that the span has broken above these highs. Will you go short now, guys? Market price on Aussie dollar, yes or no? Just type your answers in the chat room. Nuno says no. Anybody else? What about Oscar? What about Rachel? What about Torstein? Arpit says no. Okay, guys. Well done. And can you please type in the chat room why no? Why is not a good idea to go short now on Aussie dollar if I didn't have any positions? Can you type your answer down, please? Okay. Nuno says higher high on the span. Exactly. And Arpit says there is still a probability that it goes up. The answer is in between. Both your answers are correct, guys. Well done. So basically, according to the span of the Ichimoku, it seems that the span actually has all this area free will to test the lower Bollinger Band. So we might observe the span going up there. Now, in order for us to go short again, we have two scenarios. Either we see a penetration of this low, or second option, we wait until the span reaches the lower Bollinger Band. Exactly, when the span rejects the Bollinger Band, not when the Bollinger Band rejects the span. No, the opposite. Good. So second option, we can wait for the span to test the Bollinger Band, and if we see a rejection, we can go short. Or if it doesn't reach the Bollinger Band, okay, and makes a failure swing to the downside, then upon penetration of the swing lows, we can go short. If you didn't have any positions on Aussie dollar. Okay, guys, that's basically how we trade today. Okay, and it's a good method, all right? So did you all understand, guys, how to trade span, Ichimoku span in combination with all others? So let's go back to our pound Aussie and see how the price reacted when testing the MA50. So still, we are waiting for the price to break below these lows. This is what I said before. We had the failure swing, but we need to confirm it. Most probably in approximately, let me check, in approximately 7 minutes, this candle will close. The confirmation, at least for the failure swing, will come. So if this occurs on the Aussie dollar, so if we see a failure swing on the Aussie dollar before it reaches the Bollinger Band, then we can go short. But we need to wait for the confirmation for the candle close, guys. So for the moment, okay, we have a failure swing on the span of the Ichimoku, but we haven't broken yet this bottom. And most importantly, the span now is approaching the MA50. So again, if I didn't have any short positions on pound Aussie, I would still be very careful to enter short positions. In order to be on the safe side for short positions, I would love to see a penetration of the MA50 and a break of these lows. So I would like to see the span moving lower. So if you don't have any positions on pound Aussie, yet is not a good idea to short it if you don't have any positions. But as I said, we are short. We have reversed again to short. Our TP is very close to the daily lows. Very narrow trading range today for pound Aussie, just 50 pips range. That's not usually the case. Pound Aussie is a very volatile pair. Our take profit for short positions is marginally lower than today's lows. If we see that, then we will hit take profit. Now, let's see what dollar CHF is doing. We have long positions. We see now that the price, the Chigu span, has tested almost the moving average and went up. Now, for those of you who don't have long positions on the dollar CHF, it will be a good idea to enter long positions, either if you see a break above this top on the span, or even better, if you see a break above this top on the span, or if the span makes a new failure swing bottom above the moving average. So these are the possibilities to trade if you want long positions on dollar CHF for today. All right, let's see dollar yen. Okay, suppose that you don't have positions on dollar yen, guys. Is it a good idea now to go short? Yes or no, guys? Will it be a good idea now, market price, to go short? What do you think? Nuno says no. What about the rest of you? What about Dan? What about Dave? Arpit says no. What about the rest of you guys? Oscar, Rachel, Torstein, Dan, Dave. What do you think, guys? I would like to hear your opinion. I want participation in the trading room. Elif says gold is making money. So what about you guys? Are you making money today? So the correct answer is no, because we can either wait to reach the upper Bollinger Band or see a penetration of today's low to go short. So gold is making money. So Elif, let's see the money then.
Ching, ching! Ching, ching, guys! We had
We hit take profit. We hit take profit on our DAX position, guys. We hit take profit on our DAX position, $538 within 10 minutes now. Now gold and Italy 40 started to make some money. Guys, thanks God in the afternoon we had some movement and we made some movement now in the afternoon. That's good. That's good. So gold dropped again a bit. Guys, because gold dropped a bit, I will open again a position on gold. Let me see. Here we go. Because it will aim this. It will aim this. So we opened another one gold position. We have two gold positions. Our Italy 40 position is moving nicely. Gold is moving nicely. It's time. It's time to hit some more take profits. Thanks God. Thanks God. Since 2 days we are facing some difficulties, but I told you, when you put your expectation a bit lower, like we did with DAX and Italy 40, then we hit something. Yesterday, our expectation was a bit like the normal day expectation, and it was not correct. So let me put also a take profit for my second gold position. Let me see. Here we go. It's at 1,200. Guys, I will go again. Gold. Let me see. No. Okay. 22, let me see, okay, 1,225.25. This is my take profit. This is my take profit so far. Here we go. Here we go. This is my take profit. And yep, on gold. So let me see also on DAX if I should enter another one position on DAX. Let me write it down. So on gold, we have now two positions open. We entered them on different prices. We are long on gold. And our take profit is at 1,225.25. Okay, Italy 40 is also very close to it. Take profit. There we go. There we go. One more push, and we get our take profit here on Italy 40. As I said, Italy 40. Come on, one more push, and we are there on Italy 40. Oh, now it dropped again. It will get there. It will get there. If not, we will accept this. As I said yesterday, it's sometimes we have to accept the situation as it is. And here we go. We hit another take profit on Italy 40, guys. Ching ching, $970. And we needed for this also 25 minutes for this trade. But as I said, guys, it's important today to reduce our expectations. You know, on Italy 40, we make normally a profit of $1,800. $1,800 and so on. But now that the market is quite low, we have to accept this is what we get, and this is what we get. And if we go with $500 profits, it's still okay. You know, today we made so far $12,305. $12,305 is our current profit. And normally, you know, our profits are, we are expecting around $15,000 profit so far. So we are looking for another $3,000 profit. I think with the gold trades, we will make that money to happen. So again, I apologize for my voice. It's not in a good condition. I don't know why. I really don't know why, but my voice is not in a good condition. Let me drink some water. So let me see. Guys, I'm thinking I will go again long. I'm going long again on DAX and long again on Italy 40. I went again long on Italy 40 and on DAX. Let me see, guys. And let's put some take profits also here. So currently we have a long position on Italy 40, long position on DAX, a long position and two long positions on gold. So on Italy 40 and on DAX, as I said, we go with narrow take profits. We don't care. We go with narrow take profits. So it's it's approachable. So we go for 11,155. This is my take profit on DAX right now. And it's a profit of $500. It's a profit of $500. Now, next one on Italy 40. I will go also here for 18,699. So our DAX position is already in profit. And on Italy 40, it's another $400. So we are again, let me write them down. We are again long on DAX. And I entered at 11,145.98. And my take profit is at 11,155. On Italy 40, I am long again, and I entered at 18,691.9, and my take profit is at 18,699. There we go. And we see on gold, the position needs still a bit of time. Let's see how fast this will move, and we take actions accordingly. But Italy 40 and DAX, they are very, very moving nicely. They are moving nicely on these ones. I don't have any issues. So I don't look at the US indices, and guys, I will go long on USA 100. I just opened a USA 100 long position. As you know, today the New York Stock Exchange is not open. That's why we didn't trade the opening. Our gold trade and our Italy 40 trades are now in profit. I just opened a USA 100 position, and I'm thinking of opening another USA 30 position. Let's go also long on USA 30. We are long on USA 100. We are long on USA 30. Let's put also here narrow take profits. Also, these assets will close early today, guys. They will close early today. So here we go. On USA 30, I put my take profit at 24,358. And on USA 100, I will put it 6,574. Come on. So these are the other trades. So USA 100, we are long. And my take profit here is at, I entered at 6,566.46, and my take profit is at 6,574. There we go. And my USA 30 position, I entered at 24,347, and my take profit is at 24,358. So these are our trades so far, guys. These are our trades. We will observe them now. They are very close to move. We put our take profits very narrow. You remember, Nuno, we talked yesterday in the evening session about it. When we have this kind of low volatility on the markets, we put our take profits lower so we can hit them faster. So, or faster, not faster, but we will not expose our margin for trades which they just stay there and we lose other opportunities. So tell me, Kyriakos, how it's going on over there? Huh? Oh, yeah. So,
welcome back. So our trades are still developing. We don't have any significant movement for the moment. We are monitoring here the dollar yen, which as very correct. No, I haven't went shopping. No, not yet. So as Nuno and Arpit very correct has mentioned and observed, and well done, gentlemen. It's not a good idea to go short now on dollar yen, and you see that indeed the price is going to the upside. Let's go and check again our pound Aussie position. We see now that we observe the failure swing. So one can go short, but as I said, be careful because indeed the price has found support on the MA50 and now is going up. Now, the best trading setup for the span, I'm referring to the pound Aussie, will be now to see a penetration of this low and the MA50 at the same time. If we see that, then okay, Oscar, welcome back from shopping. So guys, we are observing here the reaction of the span and the price as soon as the span of the Ichimoku hit the MA50, which is acting as a support. For the moment, it has respected it nicely and is going up for the moment. We will see and check this position while it develops. Moreover, we have short positions on Aussie dollar. But if you don't have any short positions already, we still need to wait for either a price pattern or a break of a previous bottom to initiate, if you haven't placed any positions, to initiate short positions. So we need to wait on that. Dollar CHF, long. Still, we have long positions. The span of the Ichimoku is trading above the MA of 200 periods. But just to be on the safe side, as I said, we need to break either this high or even better this high, just to ensure that the price will continue to go up. Otherwise, if you don't have any positions for the moment, you are not touching it, except if you see a failure swing above the moving average of 200 periods or a penetration of this level, or even better, the penetration of today's highs. Elif, you have update?
Yes.
All right, let's go to Elif.
Hello guys, so when we put our take profits accordingly, we hit them as well. So we hit now take profit on USA 30 with $300 and USA 100. We hit another $300 and we needed for those trades just 2 minutes. It's good. No, 4 minutes. Now we hit also our take profit on Italy 40 with $400. So the market now moves up. That's good. We increased our profits to $13,391, and our expectation per day is around $15,000. You know that. And let me see, maybe we have another nice opportunity to enter and get a bit more out of it, But as I said, guys, today we are putting our take profits narrow towards the end of trading sessions. We are putting them even narrower. You see here during the morning I had on Italy 40 and on DAX also positions where I was aiming $1,000. Now I'm going down to $600, $500 profit, just to ensure that we are not exposed. So let me see, guys, on USA 30 I will go again. I'm buying again USA 30. Here we go, just bought again. Also USA 100 I'm buying again. They are so low, they have such a nice setup, they will catch up. Italy 40, shall I go or shall I stay? My indicators, they still show an up direction. Guys, I'm going also on Italy 40 again up. There we go. And I will put also now my take profits. I will put now my take profits on Italy 40. I will put my take profit at 18,730. Yes, this is my take profit here. It's a $500 take profit. Then on USA 30, my take profit is at 24,385, not 58, 85. This is my next take profit, also a low one, not a big one. And on USA 100, my take profit will be at 6,599. There we go. There we go, nice one. So let's see also on DAX what's happening on DAX. Guys, I'm going also long on DAX. Just opened also a long DAX position. I guess these are my last trades for today. If we hit them take profit, they will be nice. If we hit take profits during the session, it will be nice. But if not, I believe later on during the day, it will get there. So here we go. I just put also my take profits here. Another $800, which I'm aiming. On Italy 40, I will maybe open now again. I'm in buying mood. No, okay. So we go. I'm in buying mood, guys. I bought. Look at this. Buy. I bought everything. I bought gold, I bought German DAX, I bought Italy 40, I bought everything. It's good. But it's good because it's Friday afternoon, Monday morning after the Black Friday. The market will be in a very positive in a very positive environment. And there we expect the indices to jump nicely up. This is what I'm expecting. That's why it's very, very important that you guys know about our Black Friday offers. Black Friday offers, guys. This means our Black Friday offers. This means, guys, that we have discounts on discounts on our offers. We have discounts on our courses, and let me see. Now we have a small pullbacks, but I believe in the next 1 hour our market will move in our favor. So in this manner, I will pass now to Kyriakos to give us a conclusion, and then before we close down, you will come to me and we will have a fast look on the remaining positions. So Kyriakos, what happened with your Forex positions?
I have just closed everything, guys. As you can see, we don't have any exposures. So we are made some nice profits today, approximately $15,000+ from 6 Forex pairs. The remaining 4, I just closed them with a small loss. Doesn't matter at all. And the reason I closed them is because over the weekend, we are expecting some important events to take place. We have an urgent EU summit for the UK Brexit deal during the weekend, guys. We also have on Friday Theresa May's new meeting with Juncker. So a lot can happen during the weekend. So my advice, just keep away and keep safe and see what Monday morning will bring to us. Of course, the EU leaders are confident of a smooth Brexit deal. Let's see what the weekend will give us. And on Monday morning, again, we will be here with you guys live as we always do. Now, for those of you who just joined us, I see that Taha, welcome Taha. This is the end of the trading session, so I would like to personally welcome you and thank you for being here with us. Thanks all of you guys that you are here with us. As I said, I have squared everything. Important meetings for the EU summit, for the Brexit. We have Theresa May's meetings during the weekend. A lot of turbulence is spread around the news for the moment, if you hear the news. So I better stay away for the weekend. So that's why I have squared everything. So we will see you again. Thank you very much, Nuno. Enjoy your weekend, guys. We will see you again on Monday morning at 9 a.m. UTC or GMT time. Is the same thing. Together here at Trademy.com, together with my colleague Elif. So I would like to, on behalf of us, me and Elif, we would like to thank you for your participation. Enjoy your weekend, and we will see you again on Monday morning. Take care, guys. Have a nice weekend and enjoy it. Thank you. Bye-bye.